Everybody keeps talking about AI coding, and honestly, I think we're talking about the wrong thing. Every week, it's the same story. AI writes 50% of code, AI writes 70% of code, AI writes 90% of code. Developers are finished, junior engineers are finished, software engineering is over. But maybe you've noticed something strange. The percentages keep going up, yet software isn't getting easier. If AI is doing most of the coding now, why are all the hard problems still hard? That question kept bothering me. Because if you listen to the hype long enough, you start feeling like you're missing something, like everybody else knows something you don't. Maybe AI really is becoming a software engineer. Maybe we're only a few years away from typing a simple prompt and watching an entire company appear. No architecture, no debugging, no production incidents, no distributed systems headaches, just prompts. At least that's where the story seems to be going. But the more I looked into it, the less convinced I became. Have you noticed that all the impressive AI coding demos look strangely similar? It's always the same examples. Build me a dashboard, build me a website, build me a to do app, build me a software as a service landing page, build me a customer relationship management system, build me another basic business application. And look, I'm not saying that's useless, it's useful. People make real money doing that. But that's not where software engineering becomes difficult. The difficult part starts when things can fail. The difficult part starts when machines disagree. The difficult part starts when a single bug can cost millions of dollars. And that's where I noticed something interesting. Nobody is showing AI solving those problems. Nobody. Not OpenAI, not Anthropic, not the people posting online. Nobody. At first, I thought maybe the models just weren't good enough yet. Maybe that's all it is. Maybe the next generation fixes it. Maybe bigger context windows fix it. Maybe more computing power fixes it. Maybe more data fixes it. But then I went down a rabbit hole. I stopped reading AI papers and started reading computer science papers. And that's where things got interesting. I found something called the FLP impossibility theorem. Now, when you hear the word theorem, your brain probably wants to leave. Mine did too. But the idea is surprisingly simple. Imagine a group of computers trying to agree on something. Who is the leader? Did the transaction happen? Should an update be accepted? Normal questions. Now imagine one machine crashes, or a message arrives late, or the network behaves exactly the way networks always seem to behave. What the theorem says is that there are situations where agreement cannot be guaranteed. Not difficult, not expensive, not waiting for future research, impossible. And that was a strange realization because nobody in AI talks about impossible. Everything is framed as a capability problem. We just need a bigger model, more training, more hardware, more data. But what happens when the problem itself is impossible? Then I discovered the two generals problem. And somehow things got even worse. Two armies need to attack at the same time. They send messages back and forth. The problem is that neither side can ever be completely certain that the final message arrived. Every confirmation needs another confirmation, and that confirmation needs another one. Forever. There is no final certainty, no perfect coordination. Not because nobody tried, because the problem itself doesn't allow it. That's when something clicked for me. I think we've accidentally started treating AI like magic instead of technology. People stopped asking, can the model do this? And started assuming, if it can't do it today, it eventually will. But that's not always true. Some walls don't move, some walls are permanent. Then you run into the halting problem, deadlocks, concurrency, state space explosion, and every one of those ideas points to the same conclusion. Software engineering is not mostly about writing code. That's the weird part. Everyone thinks software engineering is writing code. It isn't. Writing code is the easy part. The difficult part is correctness. The difficult part is knowing that a system behaves properly when everything goes wrong. And that's exactly where AI starts looking a lot less impressive. Because AI is fundamentally a prediction machine. An incredibly useful prediction machine, maybe the most useful one we've ever built, but still a prediction machine. And predictions are not proofs. That's the part people keep mixing up. When AI generates code, it predicts code that looks correct. That doesn't mean it proved anything.